My name is Ariyana. I'm 18 years old. I'm a former National Judo champion. And I'm in a lot of pain.
Good job.
Oh.
How's the ankle?
It's definitely healed much better, much faster, and I think a lot of that is due to chiropractic and actually getting the advice and information that I need to take care of it properly from you.
Okay.
But besides that,
yeah, that's kind of you to say. Thank you.
It's definitely wouldn't recover the same if you didn't have someone who has experience and knows what he's talking about. If I didn't have you, I probably would be even further out.
I take on it as an Arlington. This is the. Hold on to the table a little bit. I'm gonna let this completely go. I know it's scary. Let go. Because what we're doing is there's a big capsule around this, and actually the inflammation sits in that capsule. So we distract it, we break that capsule, and allow the inflammation to release or drain back into basically your lymphatic system. And there's an inflammation in any area stagnantly. That area basically doesn't heal. It's a very linear cycle. It's called inflammatory pattern. It doesn't go into what's called the proliferative stage until the inflammation or type 1, type 2 prostaglandins are out of the interstitial space, is how they actually say that.
Another day, Dr. Aaron, another fact.
Yeah, let me have it. It's scary. Good job. Good. Is it just distracted? Yeah, it's like not too bad. Good. Toes. Good. And then, having things move is how we pump things back to the heart, not just vascular, but and put it back into the lymphatic chain. And so that's why we're doing your toes, so that you have more motion through there and has kind of this natural pump. But if it doesn't move that pump really takes a hit. Cool. If you had to say how much less painful, let's just kind of be straight with it. Or percentage-wise, if it was a 10 before, it's a what now? 10 being the worst, 10 being it's the most painful it's been.
I think in general, maybe a 4 or 5.
Okay. So about half of what it was. Okay.
Ready.
Good job. Nice. Beautiful. Okay. Good job. Great job. Awesome. Just do the same way, Judge. Just kind of let everything go. Touch my finger with your finger. Is it multiple? Yeah. Good. Okay. Beautiful. Good. That big snap. It's a good AI shoulder.
A little painful.
That stings a little bit too?
Yeah, it stays. And then it releases.
Good.
Birds.
We're avatars. Deep breath. Little rib on the right. Good. Again. Again. Good. Again. Nice. One more. Good. Hang tight. Good job. Deep breath. Good. Good job.
So it's been about 3 weeks since the date of the injury, and without coming and putting in the work and time with Dr. Aaron, I wouldn't be able to do what I am able to do right now. So I wouldn't be able to work, I wouldn't be able to walk on it, and the improvement of the pain and the mobility it's been insane, and it wouldn't have been the same without Dr. Aaron's chiropractic.
Hi, I'm Dr. Aaron Vanderhoof. We hope you like this video. We really enjoy making them. please hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner and follow us on Instagram at Vanderhoof. And of course, if you're ever in the Silicon Valley area, come on by, because we got your back.